Hello! Again, we're back for our verse of the day, and we can find it at Psalms chapter 33, verse 4 to 5. The Lord's word is correct, and everything He does is trustworthy. The Lord loves righteousness and justice. His mercy fills the earth. In this verse, we are reminded about the greatness of our God, about His being almighty, His being incomparable, His being holy, His being perfect. And since He is perfect and He is the author of our lives, in our life's journey, it can be that we are faced with many situations where we are hard up in understanding. There may be struggles, stressful situations, conflicts. Let us all bring it all up to God. Let us ask for His guidance. Let us ask for His direction. Surely, all of those happened for a good purpose, and that purpose is for our own good, for the enhancement of our personalities, our character, our relationship with others, and many more. And one more thing, God does not give us something that we cannot handle. In this line, the Lord loves righteousness and justice. Yes, it can be that we have so many situations wherein we are hard up, we are in conflict with others, but let us always follow to do what is right, to do what is just, because by doing this, it is in here that God is happy about us. God wants us to follow His footsteps, not to be as holy as He, but for us to follow His will. Let us show that we are obedient to His commands.